One TV special report.
Dili makiglales. Kay klaro kayo na nga dili jackfruit. The correct answer is breadfruit, rimas, or gulo.
So there's only one got the correct answer. Number 9. Number 29. So doon sila ako.
Breadfruit. Abi ninyo, jackfruit mo. Dili, sa mga gulo na siya. Saan pagluto sa gulo? Utangan mo? Latte. We now come to the last question. Shh. Name the vegetable. Coaches. Shh. Timer starts now. Chalkboards up. The correct answer is, lamigay niya siya bunangan ng kamungkay. Wing bean, sigarilyas, calamansos.
Ayan, Caravansos ma'am kay C. Ay, nag-answer of Caravansos, letter C. Okay na siya ma'am. Arong yapon. Spelling.
Saktong kaya spelling ng first letter lang di mo.
Ang K na calamansos, ang K na calamansos, Tagalog siguro na siya. Ang Bisaya, kanang K.
Ang Tagalog.
Isa nilay na lang na sa English, di ba? Winged bean. Dili ang tagas-kuan, ang magbuot. Ang magbuot is the facilitator. Dili ang kanang naa sa lapling na staff.
Sa lahat ng mga ila sa vegetable, ato ang siya tagaan o point. Kaya caravansos, mag-ipot siya. Caravansos. Caravansos ang iputan niya. Vegetable is caravansos. Sabi ni Saya. So, caravansos.
Sa Binisaya na siya, sigarilyas. Ang sigarilyas. At mali, sitaw, batang, at saka patani.
So, for me, since ako nagiging mga question, ako i-consider ang caravansos. Kaya yung kaila sa atin.
Last question. Question na? Last na to. Only one correct answer. for the last question. Sige, Quinta. Ay, gatay. Children and coaches, these are your scores. Shh. No reaction. Because 1, 2, 3 naman, first, second, third. There is a tie for number 1. Mag-break pa ta sa 13 o 29. Ato pong i-break ng number 1 o 41. Sige, unahon na to ang 1 o 41. Where is number 1? 41. Can you please come forward? Bring your chair, darling.
Silang luha.
This is a tiebreaker. Shh.
Ano tayo yung score?
Good luck to you, mga darlings. The winner, the first to answer the correct answer, will be the third placer. Ito ng isa, darling, direct ka. Oh. Anong kasama ang natin, ha? We have prepared 11 tiebreaker. Pero ang tiebreaker gani isa ra gyud. Who gives the correct answer? Okay? So maghilom tatanan. Ako ray magsabang. This is your tiebreaker question. Give the correct answer. Who is the chairperson of the Ozamis City Nutrition Committee? Shh. Again, who is the chairperson of the Ozami City Nutrition Committee? Timer starts now. Count words up. Nobody got the correct answer. The correct answer is shh. Learning experience. Who is the chairman of the chairperson of the Ozami City Nutrition Committee? Kinsa? Hadlo kayo na, kaya tubag si Lilet Navarez. Nakabaan siya. Ang ikanawang tubag po kay Rodrigo Silada. The chairperson of the City Nutrition Council is, of course, like the local school board, the chairman of the City Nutrition Council or committee is the local chief executive. And who is the local chief executive? Allah. It is the city mayor, Mayor Sam Norman G. Fuentes. In all the committees. Okay, let's move to ang 11 minus 1. 10 na lang kamo ang question na mo. So dapat magulagay na mo ha, karon. Okay. Give the correct answer. Give the correct answer. This approach, aligned with National Nutrition Council's Pinggang Pinoy, is encouraged to increase consumption of vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, and other minimally processed foods while maintaining balanced portions of animal source foods. Again, this approach, aligned with the National Nutrition Council's Pinggang Pinoy, is encouraged to increase consumption of vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, and other minimally processed foods while maintaining balanced portions of animal source foods. Timer starts now. Count words up. Kinsay na kayo balong sa correct answer? Difficult wrong good, difficult yun. The answer is plant forward dietary approach. Akin eh. Siya kung di pa mo magbulag, ane. 1, 2. Tunay na wala sa mong question ha. 9 na kayo nabilin. Concentrate. The window of opportunity for child health and development, spanning from conception to the child's second birthday. the window of opportunity for child health and development, spanning from conception to the child's second birthday. Timer starts now. Chalkboards up. The correct answer is first 1,000 days. Uy, ano sa kung ano magbulang? Kine. Concentrate. Concentrate. Because our team now has a connection with nutrition and the environment. Huh? Yabok yun. Okay. This is the question. This refers to long-term shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns, driven largely by the accumulation of greenhouse gases. This refers to long-term shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns driven largely by the accumulation of greenhouse gases. Timer starts now. Review ha ang inyong answer. Chalkboards up. Nantay, sino po gawa nag-answer? The answer is climate change. Sila pong duha nakatubag. Last na yun eh. Kung di mo magkulang, amot ninyo. Give the correct answer. What is commandment number 3? Oops. What is commandment number 3? Timer starts now. Chalkboards up. The correct answer is kumain ng gulay at prutas araw-araw. Sige, English version. Eat more fruits
Ay, dili na
and
5-1.
vegetables. Vegetables na?
Third na lang na 5-4
Ha?
third.
Eat more fruits and veggies every day. Actually, your interpretation sa English is wrong. Eat, kay kumain ng gulay at prutas araw-araw. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Stilang po mo, kailan na ito ka-question. Okay. Last na yun eh. Okay, wala na yung mabilin atong puwan. Isa nga ang tiebreaker pa dun. Give the correct answer. It is the act that helps prevent diseases such as diarrhea and respiratory infections, which are commonly caused by the spread of germs. It is the act that helps prevent diseases such as diarrhea and respiratory infections, which are commonly caused by the spread of germs. Timer starts now. Chalkboards up! The correct answer is hand washing. Ikaw may mag-uot. The answer is washing. Correct iha kay washing hands or hand washing. You will be the third place, fourth place na siya. Congratulations! Ibili na inyong lingkuranan di anak mga friends. Okay, we will invite kinsa ganito? Number 13 and 29. 29? Number 13, shh. Number 13 and 29. Kuhaan na din iyang tagword, please. Good luck to both of you. This is your question. This refers to the deterioration of natural systems, forests, soils, freshwater resources, or freshwater sources, coastal ecosystems, and biodiversity. This refers to the deterioration of natural systems, forests, soils, freshwater sources, coastal ecosystems, and biodiversity. Timer starts now. Chalkboards up. The correct answer is environmental degradation. Ayaw punta mga question. Concentrate. It is the process of introducing foods in addition to breast milk, when breast milk alone is no longer enough to meet the infant's nutritional needs. Again, it is the process of introducing foods in addition to breast milk, when breast milk alone is no longer enough to meet the infant's nutritional needs. Timer starts now. Chalkboards up. The correct answer is complementary feeding. secondary feeding. Nakakorek mo di ana, mga BNS? Sige. Concentrate. What is the percentage projected rise in hunger and malnutrition rate by 2050 without climate change action? Again, what is the percentage projected rise in hunger and malnutrition rate by 2050 without climate change action? Timer starts now. Tag words up. The correct answer is percentage, and it is 20%. Sige. Listen. Promotes strong coordination and collaboration among government agencies and sectors in addressing nutrition, food security, climate change, and environmental sustainability concerns. It promotes strong coordination and collaboration among government agencies and sectors in addressing nutrition, food security, climate change, and environmental sustainability concerns. Timer starts now. Tongue words up. The correct answer is whole of government approach. Whole of government approach. Give the correct answer. What is the term for eating a variety of foods from all food groups in the right amounts? Again, what is the term for eating a variety of foods from all food groups in the right amounts? Timer starts now. Tag words up. The correct answer is uy, kinuha ko. Nahurot na actually ang mga question. The correct answer is balanced diet. Kine, siya rin makatubag pa kung ano. Here is the question. Which nutrient has 0 calories, but is essential for life? Again, shh. Which nutrient has 0 calories, but is essential for life? Timer starts now. Top words up. The correct answer is water.
Siya may answer, bahin.
Congratulations sa inyo. Good. Number one, first placer is Faustino Dizina. Uy, don't sound coach. Second placer is Manaubang Ines. And third, ito si
Babae.
Asang third placer, ito kanina. Go back to your seats so that you can go home. Congratulations. Shall we give them a round of applause? Out of 48, you emerged as the winners. Congratulations to the coaches. May we request the coaches to please stand? Then, atong tanawon ang mga beauty. Man, tumura. And the fourth placer is from Labo Central School. Since my chore is already finished, I am going to give the microphone to our City Nutrition Officer. Sir Rod, thank you. God bless all of you. Thank you very much for coming today. Be safe in going home.
Wait. Agad sa kanay snacks, lingkod sa kachon. Ano ito pag-rin mo, hindi kita karupit sa ha. Our first place goes to Faustino C. Dizina Integrated School with their school head, Ma'am Lydia G. Salvador, and the teacher is Ma'am Reneca A. Orimon. The learner is Ma'am Divinity S. Ocampos. Congratulations. Our second place.
Ay, sorry.
Abang ipasabot ang yung cash prize, madawat ni karon sa atuang karon July 31 ha, dito sa City Gymnasium alauna, together with the coaches. Once again, congratulations to Faustino C. Dizina Integrated School. For the second place goes to Malaubang Integrated School with a teacher, Ma'am Sushil E. Xiao. Then the child is Clerk B. Apart. Congratulations. And our third place goes to Maximino S. Laurente Central School with a teacher, Ma'am Helen Grace O. Candungo. And the child is Amba Denia.